Hi Year 3, welcome back to Mr. Woods' Magical Mixtures. Today we're making something a bit special. Have you ever had that grandma that's a bit crazy? Well, this is going to be the mixture for you. So I'll go through my recipe. My ingredients, the first thing I need is the Super Foam Shaving Gel. Brilliant. Okay, so the next thing I need is it's quite an important part of this, but it's my whitening toothpaste. Brilliant. So the next ingredient, it's quite hard to find because you've got to look everywhere, but it's a rotten apple. It's really important it's rotten. And finally, I need some extra slippery sunflower oil, and obviously all my bowls and everything like that as well. Brilliant. So now we can start. So looking at my recipe, my first step says, first ensure that the bowl is carefully cleaned until you can see your face in the reflection. Well, I've cleaned this earlier and I can definitely see my face. Brilliant. Following that, squirt the Super Foam Shaving Gel onto the clean bowl. Fill it quarter full. Need my Super Foam. It said quarter full. Brilliant. Okay, meanwhile, quickly hit the apple against the table to soften it, making sure it's that rotten apple. Needs to be nice and soft. Brilliant. Step 4, carefully place the rotten apple and leave there for 24 hours. Following that 24 hours, carefully squeeze the whitening toothpaste into the bowl whilst stirring slowly. Lovely. Just going to stir a little bit more. Step 6. The next step is to slowly mix it up for slowly heat it up for 20 minutes in the microwave. Ooh, it's hot, I can feel it. Brilliant. Step 7 then. Whilst it's hot, we need to delicately pour 100 millilitres of the extra slippery sunflower oil into the mixture. Now be careful you don't slip over. Smells lovely. And finally, we need to wait for this medicine to cool down and then step back and just watch the wonders that's going to happen from this mixture. I'll have a little bit of a taste now.